a train on giant wheels. The body of the most massive Soviet diesel locomotive M62 was installed on the MZ KT 7919 chassis manufactured by the Minsk Wheel Tractor Plant, intended for the Uragan rocket launcher in the 90s. The vehicle was named Volod. There are several versions of the purpose of the creation of this unit. According to one of them, the diesel locomotive was created to study the use of an individual electric drive for each wheel on a heavy multi-axle chassis. And after the implementation, the miracle of technology had to work in extreme conditions, and the body was supposed to be different. According to another version, Volod was supposed to become a mobile power plant with a capacity of several thousand kilowatts. It is believed that this locomotive was produced by scientists from the All-Union Scientific Research Diesel Locomotive Institute, which is located in Kolomna, by order of the Russian Ministry of Defense. According to another version, specialists from the Bauman Moscow State Technical University were involved in the creation of this transport. Whoever made it, but in 2003, Volod made its first and, as it turned out, the last trip. The design of the vehicle revealed many problems, in particular with the steering mechanism and technical fluids leaking. In the end, the axle broke and one of the bridges fell off. The vehicle was dragged to the final point of the route by tow. For the repair and bring to the perfect state, very large funds were required. On this, they decided to finish the work on the project. Don't forget to subscribe and like it. Thanks for sharing, and bye-bye.